So let's just get a quick little shout out for people. What are your favorite project management systems?
Asana.
Yeah. Zoho, anyone? Basecamp? You know, what are some thoughts for everyone else here about the different project management systems that are used?
We use an open source one.
Use
on our own server called Redmine, but it's quite difficult.
Yeah. So what you're going to want to do is, and everyone else is in here, I really like Basecamp. All of the different things that we used went back to Basecamp simply because of one of the Basecamp extras called Paymo. If you go to the Basecamp store, it's one of the extras, and the whole reason why we went back to there is because of the seamless integration. So this is what we use for our different project management. And it actually is able to invoice and send money to the clients or bill clients direct, but most of it is, we just use it as, it's a way to connect in with Basecamp. So what happens is when we go in Basecamp and we set up all the to-dos and tasks that our team needs to do, even though we do have our development center, all of our project management, all of our sales and our support is done in North America. So we're going in there, we're assigning briefs, tasks, to-dos, and it connects seamlessly with Paymo. So throughout the day, every couple hours, the team will then go and they can either do it manually or automatically, go to the drop-down, select what task they were working on, and you can have a most accurate billing that's going to show you how long it took, where it came from, what are their things, or if you really want to be that big brother, you can make them go through and do it manually. You can see every page that they visited. So by doing this, you're able to really keep track of your contractors, your team members, and most importantly, you can bill for it. Like this is where we made the most money from, and our company was becoming more efficient. It wasn't from saying that I'm going to bill you this rate, then we kind of struggle at the end, and you don't have the transparency to charge a client what you deserve. But if I'm picking up that phone call and answering from you, even if it's myself, I log it in my Paymo. I need to know how much to charge clients, what we do, when we did it, so I can go back and draw reports. And so this is a seamless way what we're able to go through and update it every day. So it's one of those things where our sales team and us use Zoho, but all of our development teams and when we're working on internal clients and support use Paymo. And there's very cool mobile apps. It connects seamlessly. I keep on telling Basecamp I'm actually going to film this and send this over to them and see if they can at least give me a free year's service or something like that, because I tell everybody about it. Cool. And I wrote the same title up there. And then the next thing, of course, is how your funnel works. There are just so many different amazing opt-in forms. There's so many different lead page strategies. There's so many different networks out there, custom developments. And make sure that we're going through here, you can set up the different sequences and really make it streamlined. So it's a fun little thing when we're going through here and you're coming up with the funnel and you're testing it. And I actually know Clay Collins from Lead Pages. When we were speaking in, he was beside us as well, and I sat there picking his brain the whole time, and he just did, from the CEO of Lead Pages, such a killer presentation. He was going through and showing these exact pages that had the same, just slight differences in the way you write titles or characteristics about things, to how to make it. So now that you have really good billing, you have resources, you have sales, what is the next step? Next step is how you can charge more. That's what we learned. By giving that amazing product, you're able to get out there and sell high-ticket coaching items. You're able to sell white-label SEO plans. You're able to do e-learning courses. Most importantly, you can make residual monthly income off of it. What we did, and we worked so hard as the club mentality, we're telling our clients that if you paid a monthly fee, it was a lot lower, then we started to bring it up, then you had access to our developers at different costs. So we were going to white label people and saying, well, if you're a registered white label and you can guarantee a contingency fund where you pay for 200 hours a month, it starts off at $25 an hour. And so we were telling people this, and this is how we exploded. So instead of working with just smaller businesses, we said, okay, great. What if we can be the manufacturer and go to a wholesaler who's going to then disperse us out to everybody? So we have all these different proprietary WordPress systems, and we have all these different plugins and custom apps and things that we develop. So we're able to really sit there and visualize costs and give estimates, and so that way we were able to streamline the white label processing. So we kind of had two different divisions. One is where we sell the white label, and one is where we provide business class services and charge really expensive rates to large corporations that can pay it. That's where everybody wants to go. So the opportunity is now. If that is the only thing that I can say to everybody here is that when you leave here today, this is the best time to ever start your business. This is the best time ever for online advertising. This is when you're going to do the most. So, 2-3 years down from the road, you're going to think about back when the time you could have started with amazing idea. So what we've come with to show you today are the steps that you need. First of all, you need to prove that there is a market. The next is you need to make sure that people are searching for it. And the third thing is how you're going to get people to go through your website, you're going to make it accountable, and you're able to charge more. So, as it's exactly the right time, that is it, everybody. So I honestly would like to thank everybody so much for the opportunity and for spending your nights to come out and listen to us speak.